Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Crafty Beans. In today's video, I'm gonna make this pretty scooter planter using a old mug. Come, let's start the video. This is a old coffee mug which I no longer use, and as you can see it's broken from the edges. For making the planter we're gonna need molded clay. First I'm gonna mix both the compounds until the clay is mixed completely. Dust some powder on the table and start rolling the clay. Cut the clay using a cutter as shown in the video. Stick the clay to the handle of the cup. Adjust the shape properly and let it dry. Now I am making the remaining parts of the scooter: handles, wheels. Let them dry separately. Add a bottle cap to the back of the cup with the help of strong glue. Cover the broken part of the cup with the help of clay. As the remaining parts are dried completely, stick them together using glue. Here I am using R6000 glue. You can use any strong glue or glue gun. After gluing all the pieces together, now it's time to paint the scooter. First I am painting it with white color as a base coat. The base coat is all dried now. I am mixing yellow and white together to form a pastel yellow color. Paint the details with black color. Now the scooter planter is all ready. You can use it for growing real plants. Here I am using fake plants. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, do share with your family members. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel.